Iphepheli nawuliqalileko lifana phasi nesitifiketi sokujovela i-COVID-19 esikhutshwa mnyango wezempilo. Nanyana kunjalo, nawuqalisisa kuhle uyathola bona ngelokuzenzela iphepheli nemiphumela yalo ethi umuntu akanayo i-COVID-19. Nasinje isitifiketi sisinikelwe umuntu ovela ngaphandle ongakahlolile ingogwana le. Phezu kwephepheli kunamagama welaboratory iLancet. Umbikiindaba wethu uthe angalifumana iphepheli waya nalo kwaLancet ayokuqinisekisa bona ngilabo mbala na, kodwa bamtshele bona ngilobugirikijana akusilo labo.
What we've got is a QR code on the form which we can scan and we use in any smartphone device, and you can see it comes up, it says it's an invalid one. So the bottom line is this is completely fraudulent.
iLancet ithi lokhu kubuyisela inarha emuva ekulwisaneni nokuthelelana nge-COVID-19. Njengoba isibalo sabantu abathelelana ngengogwana sikhuphuka nje, imphathimandla zithi ubugirikijana obu bungaphezulu kokuthengisa kwentifiketi zomgunyathi ze-COVID-19. Nanyana iphiko lendaba ze-SABC lilunywe ngendlebe ngalokhu, abaningi abaphethe intifiketi ezi bayesaba ukuza ngaphambili, besaba ukuzifaka engozini namkha ukukhahlunyezwa.
There are still many people out there who are still selling these negative COVID-19 certificates to people who want to travel. But the problem is that people do report to us, maybe through our anti-fraud and corruption hotline, but then when we invite them to come through to our offices and see us or give us more details, they do not come through. You know, they are saying to us, these people are dangerous because it's a network, it's a syndicate, we're dealing with a syndicate here, so they are afraid of coming forward and giving us more information or more details on who are these people that are involved in these criminal activities. And what we've also picked up is that it's not only negative COVID-19 certificates that are being sold out there. People are now selling vaccination cards.
Imphathimandla sikhombela abantu abanelwazi bona beze ngaphambili njengoba kuphenywa amaqala amaningi ahlobana nalokho.